this, not on his sacrum, but in here.
Pas sur le sacrum, ton avant-bras, là où il dit, sur le sillon ostéopathique.
Hold him, right? Just hold him there. You see, that's it. You don't need him lower. You don't need him lower. He's there. You're on top of him. Your back is like this, which is good. It's not like this.
Là, la position est bonne.
It's like this. And you've got your knees there moving for you.
Là, t'es bien, là.
Yeah? So now you've got balance this way. Yeah, I'm just going to put that just there and there. Very loose, very loose. Just very loose now, okay? Just let me move you. Okay, so just placing that. And then just let me have this arm. I'm just going to place that there. Very loose. What I need to be able to do is to side bend. I can control shift a little bit, extension, flexion, rotation. Hold, thrust, thrust. So I think this is, useful for the upper lumbars, depending on the morphology, if you can feel it, if you can get in there. They've got a high crest. So I'm going to take you back and up.